If you have an old paintbrush and you're looking to get one more use out of it, I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can do that. Now look at this brush. This brush may be ready to turn into a duster, but we're going to give her one more go. I'm going to use this in a high performance series fast drying varnish on those wood windows. It's an oil-based product, so this will be the last use. So you get yourself a razor blade and go ahead and cut these guys off like that. Okay, all these guys that are sticking out, you can be careful doing this. You can even get a little score right there. Yeah, these brushes could run 12 to 15 bucks. I get as much use out of them as I can, and you can too. All right. Hey, hope this tip helps. Good luck on all your painting projects.